Good evening to one and all. This is Shishkaladhar working as a physics teacher. Today I am going to demonstrate an activity to study the nature of the images formed by spherical mirrors. The material required to do this activity are one small spoon, one big spoon, one screen, one candle and one matchbox. Let us see the activity. We know very well spoon has two sides. Front side is like a cave, so it works as a concave mirror, and back side of the spoon is bulging out and it works as a convex mirror. Now let us see the image, nature of the image in this concave side and convex side. Now I am lighting the candle. Candle is used as a object. See here, what happens if a candle is placed in front of the concave side of the spoon. See here, you are observing inverted image in the spoon. See here, inverted image you are observing. Now what happens if I move the object close to the concave side of the spoon? See here, you are observing inverted image, inverted. What happens if I move the object very close to the spoon? See here, spoon becomes very shiny, means if I place the object within the focus, erect image forms and very enlarged image. So erect and enlarged image forms within the spoon when the object is very close to the spoon. See here. Then see here, you are observing candle flame, enlarged flame within the spoon. Now let us see how the nature of the image in convex mirror. Now I am turning the spoon. See here, you observe when the object is very close to the convex side, you observe erect image and diminished image. If you observe the size of the image compared to the size of the object, it is smaller. What happens if I move the object away from the mirror? See here, erect and diminished. See here, erect and diminished, erect, diminished, erect and diminished. See here, to understand real images and virtual images, I am going to use big spoon. See here, this is the concave side, this is the convex side. I placed the candle in front of the concave side. See here, just you observe. See here, I am placing the screen very close to the concave side of the spoon. Just you observe image obtained on the screen. So it is real image. So concave mirror forms real images we captured on the screen. Real images are inverted. See here, suppose if I bring very close to the mirror, just you see, I am moving the object very close. See here, and no image forms on the screen. So when the object is very close to the concave side of the spoon. Virtual enlarged image forms, it won't capture on the screen. So virtual images are not captured on the screen. See here, what happens if I place the object in front of the convex side? See here, convex side. See here, no image captured on the screen. See here, I am moving the object. See here, moving the object very far away. Now you see, no image forms on the screen. When the object is placed in front of the convex side, no image forms on the screen. So the image form in convex mirror is virtual, erect, diminished. Convex mirror always forms virtual, erect, diminished. Due to this property, convex mirrors are used as side view mirror for motor vehicles. Now see, if I turn towards the concave side, just you observe, image forms on the screen. When the object is far away, image is forms on the screen, which is real. And when the object is very close to the mirror, no image forms on the screen, but enlarged, erect image forms within the mirror. So virtual, erect, enlarged. From this activity, we can understand that concave mirrors forms real images as well as virtual images, whereas convex mirror forms only virtual images. And not only that, we observe that real images are inverted nature, virtual images are erect nature. So dear students, by doing simple activity with material available in the home, you can enjoy the learning physics through simple activities. Thank you.